What's good YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm Alxr. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways of how to lace the Air Jordan 11's. Before I start the video though, today is January the 1st, so Happy New Year. Hope you have a very blessed year. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and turn the bell to get notifications when I upload. I told myself every day this year I'm going to be daily uploading, so make sure you subscribe, leave a like too. Without further ado, let's get it. So for me personally, I think it's much easier to lace your shoes whilst they're on. So I've put them on now, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to completely unlace both of them. Okay, so for the first bit, I'm just going to get the laces and put them through the very bottom. And then through the inside one too. And then I'm going to take the top of the laces just like this, so you get these bits here, and then I'm going to pull them all the way up to make sure that they're the same length. So now I've done that and they're the same length. That's good. Now I'm going to get the outside lace and then thread that through the inside, but not pulling it too tightly because you want to keep it loose. So just pulling it like that. Then taking the inside lace and putting it up through the outside, just like that, and trying to keep the laces flat. With Jordan 11 laces, they kind of get a bit, when they bunch up, it looks weird, like the thread. So just trying to keep them flat as much as possible. And then I'm going to take the outside lace again and put that through the inside, but not pulling it too tightly again. Then take the inside lace and put that through the outside, and then the outside through the inside. But the whole time I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep the laces as loose as possible. So once again, the outside through the inside, and then the inside through the outside. Then when I get to this bit, I don't usually put it through the top hole at all, but when I get to this bit, I'm just going to lace them up now. So making sure they're loose because you don't want the bow to be too big, and then just lacing them up. And now I'll just do the same for the other one. Done, and that's the first way. Now I get to showing you what they look like on feet. Okay, so for the second way, I'm just going to unknot them, then make them super loose, just pulling on the sides. And then I'll take this one, the outside one, and thread that through the inside, and then the inside, and thread that through the outside. And so they just look like this. So it's like super easy to slip on and super comfortable too. Okay, so moving on to the third way. So for this way, I'm just going to tighten the laces up. And then the same for the other. And then this is probably the best way to wear them if you're going to play basketball or something, because like they're super tight to your feet and they won't come off or anything. So for just roll the trousers down, you can see they won't like wiggle off or anything. And yeah, that's the third way, just super tight, nothing crazy, but they won't come off your feet this way. Okay, so the fourth way is kind of like the factory look. So just loosen these ones out. If you just put it a little bit tighter, take the laces, make sure they're the same length. Then you just take your finger at the bottom. So I'm right-handed, so I'll take my right hand like this, thread that around my finger or two fingers, poke the laces through, and then just like that. It's kind of got like that factory look when you first get them. That bow like that. And then if you just unroll my trousers, you can see they look fresh when you have the tongue showing. And now I'll just do it for the other one too. So taking them out of the top hole, loosening the shoes off a little bit, because you need a little bit of lace but not too much. Then pulling it to the same length, wrap it around your finger or two fingers, and then just poke through just like that. And that is the fourth way and the final way of how to lace your Jordan 11's. And I'll show you what these look like on feet too. That's the end of the video. Hopefully it was helpful and hopefully you did enjoy it too. That was just 4 different ways of how I lace my Air Jordan 11's. Before I end the video though, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and turn the bell to get notifications when I upload, which from now on is going to be every single day. So make sure you subscribe. All my social medias go link in the description below if you want to check them out. Happy New Year too. Make sure to leave a like. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.
Damn, back at it again. Skip with the Vans, fresh the hoodie. Keep my pockets smelling of money. Taking out, nah, don't be funny. What's attractive at a hook? This one, Peter Pan, come on, do shit, sing along. Holding the plan, he said come kick it in Neverland. Moved a few pair of shoes, made a couple of grand. Blue and Gucci, I'm back on the web, cloud surfing the bands. Come with a new naughty Spider-Man. Hey Spidey, next time I'll spend more wisely until we get bad weather. Then back to the